only is 49 Neighbors Row rich in character and history, it's also in the perfect location. Right in the heart of North Conway, you are close to everything, but it's on a quiet, private, wooded lot, and from your door you can access Whitaker Woods recreational trails. This home has everything. With 5 bedrooms, you have plenty of space for everyone. In fact, there is potential to create a second master suite on one wing of this home. The 3rd floor turret showcases the shipbuilder's design. Need a home office or a den? This can be your private space to think and work. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. This screen room and outdoor kitchen will make you feel like you're on vacation all year long. This luxury home, surrounded by all of the activities in the White Mountains, awaits you. Call to schedule your personal tour.